Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details behind the products you're curious about. Now imagine brushing your teeth with a brush that helps protect your gums, alerts you when you're brushing too hard, and even makes sure you're using the right brush head. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? Today, we're talking about two Philips Sonicare electric toothbrushes, one for adults and one designed specifically for kids. We'll cover everything you need to know to decide if they're worth the investment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Let's get into it. First up, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush, designed to give you a more thorough, healthier clean compared to manual brushing. This toothbrush has some impressive features, starting with its pressure sensor. It gently pulses to alert you when you're brushing too hard, something we all need a reminder of. It's easy to get carried away, but this feature ensures that you're not damaging your gums. Another highlight is the brush head replacement reminder, which takes the guesswork out of when it's time to swap out your head for a new one. Plus, with 3 modes, clean, white, and gum care, you can tailor your brushing experience depending on your needs. I've used this toothbrush for a few weeks now, and the most noticeable difference is how much fresher my mouth feels after brushing. It doesn't just clean, it really helps improve gum health over time. I also love that the brush head replacement reminder keeps me on track, ensuring I'm always using the most effective brush head for the job. One thing I do wish it had, though, is a bit more versatility in terms of the intensity settings. But overall, the cleaning experience is gentle yet effective. For the Philips Sonicare for Kids 3+ Bluetooth connected rechargeable electric power toothbrush, the main goal is to make brushing fun and easy for little ones. The built-in Bluetooth connects to an app that encourages kids to brush longer and more effectively through fun, interactive games. In fact, 98% of parents say it's easier to get their kids to brush longer and better with this brush. As a bonus, 91% of dental professional parents prefer it for their own children. That's a big endorsement. Having tested this out with my husband and his nephew, I have to say, it really works. The app's interactive games are a fun way for kids to stay engaged while brushing, which, as any parent knows, is half the battle. The brush is gentle on their teeth and gums, but still provides an effective clean thanks to its design. The only thing I would caution is that it may take a little time for kids to get used to brushing with a tool like this, especially if they've only ever used manual brushes before. Let's talk pros and cons for both of these brushes. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is fantastic at keeping your gums healthy, and the pressure sensor is a real game changer for preventing overbrushing. The brush head reminder is another huge pro, so you'll always know when to replace the head for optimal performance. The downside? The intensity settings could be more adjustable for those who prefer a more customizable experience. On the other hand, the Philips Sonicare for Kids 3+ is a winner for making brushing fun and interactive. The Bluetooth app makes it easy to track progress, and kids seem to enjoy using it more than a standard toothbrush. However, as with any tech-driven device for children, you'll need to make sure they get used to the new routine, and it may take a few sessions before it feels second nature. Now, is the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 worth its price? Absolutely. It brings a level of sophistication to your dental care that's hard to beat. The pressure sensor, the customizable modes, and the replacement reminder make it a standout in its category. If you're looking for a solid electric toothbrush that will last, this one's worth the investment. As for the Philips Sonicare for Kids 3+, if you're struggling to get your child to brush their teeth, this product is definitely a game changer. It's priced on the higher end, but considering the interactive features and the fact that it encourages kids to brush better, it's worth it if your child needs that extra motivation. Mid-review, I want to take a moment to thank you for being here. If you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so others can find this honest review too. If you're itching to get your hands on one of these, check the links in the comments for more details. When it comes to customer support, Philips has always had a solid reputation. Although I didn't personally need to reach out for support during my testing, the company is known for quick responses and good service, which adds to the peace of mind when investing in their products. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are definitely options in the electric toothbrush market. However, keep in mind that they might not have all the specialized features of the Philips Sonicare models, such as the pressure sensor or the interactive app for kids. If those features matter to you, then it may be worth the extra investment. To wrap up, here's the bottom line. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is an excellent choice for adults who want a gentle yet effective clean. And the Philips Sonicare for Kids 3 Plus is perfect for parents looking for a fun, engaging way to encourage better brushing habits. Both models stand out in their categories, offering solid performance, useful features, and a noticeable improvement in dental hygiene. Thanks so much for watching. And if you've tried either of these brushes, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out.